In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify store live and ready for customers. We'll walk through preparing your store, removing the password so it's public, and finalizing a few key settings to launch with confidence. First, get your store set up and customized. Make sure your products, collections, and legal pages are ready to go. Add all your products with clear titles, accurate descriptions, prices, and high-quality images. Organize them into collections so shoppers can find what they need quickly, and set up your navigation so your menus link to the right places. Don't forget your legal pages, refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. So they're easy to access in the footer. Once your content is in place, open your theme editor and click Customize. This is where you design your storefront. Adjust your colors, fonts, and layout, and build your homepage with sections like banners, featured collections, and testimonials. Click through product pages and collection pages to make sure everything looks consistent. Use the mobile preview to double-check spacing and readability, and save your changes as you go. When your storefront looks good, you're ready to go public by removing the password. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Preferences. Scroll to the Password Protection section. Uncheck Enable Password, or if you see a notification bar at the top, click the Remove Password link there. Click Save. Your store is now live and accessible to everyone. If you're still making edits, keep the password enabled until you're ready. The moment you remove it, your site is visible. Next, finalize a few important settings for a smooth launch. If you haven't purchased a plan yet, you'll be prompted to do that when you remove the password. Choosing a plan is required to process orders, so select the option that fits your needs and confirm your billing details. Then connect a custom domain by going to Settings, then Domains. You can connect one you already own or buy a new one through Shopify. A custom domain builds trust and makes your brand easier to remember. After connecting, set it as your primary domain. Note that DNS changes can take some time to fully update. Finally, if you're switching themes on a live store, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Publish on the new theme in your library. Preview first to confirm everything looks right, then Publish. Your previous theme will remain available in your library. That's it. With your products ready, theme customized, password removed, plan active, domain connected, and theme published, your Shopify store is officially open for business.